In this lesson, we are going to play around with the knife tool from Gravit Designer. It's a really cool tool that lets you easily cut or slice your objects so that you can add different effects to them, such as rainbow colors or separating effects.
Let's do it.
Let's start with drawing a rectangle. Let's go over here, rectangle, and just drag it like this. Okay, with this rectangle, we can cut it up with a knife. So what we do is click the knife tool. Okay, so I'm going to create slices coming around from this area. Okay, so here we go. Let me click there, then click here, there. It's pretty easy. You just make your cuts, make lines through your shape. Okay, so it doesn't look like much. Now I can select each slice and give it a color. Let's start with this one. Let's give it a color here. I'm just going to work through this spectrum here. Okay, next one. Next. And now we have a rainbow colored rectangle. So that's how you can do it with Gravit. And what's great about this is that you can separate these components, these slices. Watch. Wasn't that cool? This tool allows you to create all kinds of artistic designs. Let's also create a circle. And let's slice the circle as well. And let's color it. Use the select tool, pointer tool. Okay, so we have two kinds of slices, straight lines, and here we have slices with rounded edges. And that concludes this video. May long life, fortune, and the force be with you. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success. Thank you.